In this video, we will see how to scan text into note application and use wherever you want use. If you are writing a notes using your ball pen, and then you want scan this text as an important notes or important documents, or you are providing this particular text content in your assignment or day-to-day activities. So this video is very important for you. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here note application. Inside the note application, here is one of my folder. I just simply press here ball pen, and now we need to scan written text and use wherever you want. Just look at this here. Table options are there, capital letters, checkbox and camera. You just simply press the camera and look at this here. First options comes here downstairs, scan the text. You just simply open and scan your text in your notebook. So look at this, the particular text are scanned, and here in this particular screen are showing which types of text you are scanning here, which types of documents you particular scan you want to write this text, and you can use this like this, the paragraph of this paragraph. Even the paragraph are coming the specific number point of view, which types of data you already write, all informations are coming here. And look at this, I just simply scan this paragraph, insert, and boom, look at this here, all data are scanned here very easily, and I can use anywhere if I want to use this text, and I can save this text also. It's very simple tips and tricks. Written text you can scan and use. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.